Reassembly. Start off by reinserting the secondary power supply, being sure to thread the wires through the plastic notch on the side. Then reinsert the 4 screws in the corners. Replace the metal plate and replace the 2 screws in the middle. Then reinsert the main PC board by making sure that it lines up to the slots and press firmly into place. You will then need to replace all 6 screws around the heatsink. Then replace the metal plate that attaches to the top assembly. Then reattach the top assembly to the unit by turning it over and placing it back over the top of the bottom assembly and main PC board. You will then need to replace all 12 screws located around the unit, which we will quickly demonstrate here for you. Then if you wish to, you can replace the back plastic plate at this time by simply snapping into place. Replace the cooling fan by reinserting and replacing the 2 screws on either side. When using a power screwdriver, it's a good idea to make sure it's fully charged or have a backup battery or a hand screwdriver so that you don't have to do what we're doing here. You can then reinsert the 2 heat sinks and securely screw them back into place. Then you can plug in the ribbon cable for the controller port. Then insert the bottom first and lift up to snap back into place. Then, if you haven't already done so, reattach the back plate by snapping into place. Don't be confused, we showed you that twice. Then, making sure the disc cover is open, you can replace the casing by sliding it back over the unit and snapping into place. You can then press the buttons to make sure they are working properly. Flip the unit upside down and reinsert the 4 screws and tighten using the special Nintendo tool or bit. And that completes the Gamecube reassembly.